Number 91, Street 110, Pteah. Boutiques, art galleries, and whatnot. Yes. Nice. Wow. Pop-up art gallery. There you go. Here's some stuff. What are these? There's some little macrame things, little knitted things, right? Little knitted. What are they? Here. Crochet.
Yeah.
Crochet creatures. Let's see what else we got. What's this one? Carrie Podboy. Painter?
Yes, and we do a lot of classes and workshops.
You do what?
Classes and workshops.
Classes and workshops with Carrie Podboy. And here's some more work up there. All right. Just taking a little look. What do we have over here? Destiny Jewelry. Oh. What's this? Books, postcard. Yeah. Cambodian stickers. What are they? Graphics? Oh, look at that one. What's out here? Oh, this is where the plant life is. Good. Street 110 below. Right. Street 110. So we're on the 5th floor of this shop house where the art gallery is behind me. We're just checking things out. Yeah. Hey, baby. How you doing, baby? Oh, you don't like me? Shy.
Oh. Yeah.
What's up here? Is this someone's private place up here?
It's an office.
Oh, an office. I'll go to the landing. Let's see. This is the very top up here. Whatever this is. An office type space. This is the 5+ floors of the restored old shop house building. But have fun with the geometric angles area down here. All right. Your geometry class. If you could get your skateboard down there,
Yeah. Usually you see a lot of birds and cats.
you could do some flips up.
Somebody put that on the bike.
I think you could.
Yeah, it's all in the landing, right?
Sure. Just make sure to wear one of those strong helmets that I've... So we just came from the art gallery over there.
The best part bartenders around.
Okay.
It's really good.
Now we're making a gin and tonic, it looks like.
No, I just normal Coca-Cola.
Oh.
Slang now.
Okay, here we go. Phase one. Going down to the cafe here at the Pteah Job Building. Now on the 5th floor, are we? Or 4th?
Depends if you're from the U.S. or not.
Okay, one of those, 4 or 5. So let's go on down. That's where we just came from there. Now some of it really retains its old rustic dog-earedness, and but apparently it was completely renovated. So let's see. And here we are on the cafe stage. And I'm gonna get a fruit plate. The cafe's over there, the cafe itself. This is where we ordered. Right? So I'm gonna get pineapple watermelon.
You like the juice or
Fruit plate.
to eat, right?
To eat.
Yeah. Pineapple.
Yes. Let's take a quick
Definitely
look.
pineapple, right?
Pineapple. Yeah. Here's the interior. Nice. It's full. A lot of people. Pretty cool paintings. Thanks. I don't normally shoot vertical, but look at this. Goes all the way up. Let's go back downstairs. What is this? Looks like another little boutique type place. I'm not sure. Let's go. All right. Nice little nook. This is Domlay elephant. All right. Looks like they do textiles and clothing design. Here's Domlay. So this is Domlay interior. Oh, nice. They got some scented stuff there, looks like. Oh, Twaraway. Look at that. Ooh la la. Looks like painted on. Paint? It's good. She's got the little. Then it makes the design. How clever. And what do we have here? Design of wine glass? No. What is it? Yeah. A car? Tuk tuk.
Pass out.
It's a passive, a grab tuk tuk. There we go.
It's top top.
See, it's a little tuk tuk. Now we're putting the tuk tuk design on the fabric. Right? Ready? Here it goes. Mmm. Very clever. So here's the balcony at Dom Rai. Street 110. Market is just that way. This is the Pteah building. We were just upstairs at the art gallery and then getting a plate of, what do you call it? Watermelon and pineapple. Now we're down here in Dom Rai. So all of these little galleries and things in this building. Okay. Let's continue as we proceed back downstairs. Some dolls. It's pretty good. I suppose that was the art market on the top floor. Some friends of ours here. This looks like, oh, this is also Dom Rai. This is Dom Rai also. This is Dom Rai Part 2, right?
It's for
Oh.
make.
Sewing.
This one for make for online.
Oh.
Make
This is making making the clothes. Upstairs is designing the clothes. Good. So nice, Atna. Bye bye. See you later. Gonna continue on outside. Hey, just like in my mom's garden in Florida. Okay? And this is like a sort of boutique, the Button Boutique. There are various paintings down here. Nice. It's a nice styling place. And that was it. That was Pteah in a quick, non-rigorous survey overview. And I'm Mr. J. Gonna be heading down now, meet my friend, go ride a bike. Here's Street 110, Phnom Penh, Cambodia. That's where we were, all the way on the top. Worked our way down here to the ground floor. Number 91.